Coming to the next use case, which is employee health complaints. Managing safety and health is an integral part of managing a business organization, and hence we need to do a risk assessment to find out about the hazards and risk in their workplaces and put measures in place to effectively control them to ensure that these hazards and risks cannot cause harm to workers. Based on this, we get location data received from DNA spaces, and this is analyzed to address key use cases like dashboard, temperature monitoring, face mask complaints, physical distancing, contact tracing, PD complaints by zone and people, and body temperature. In this dashboard, we can have a view of physical distancing, sanitized, without mask, thermal suspects, alerts, PD violations, people sanitized, thermal scans, average physical distancing, PD complaints with percentage. Similarly, face mask for scanned with mask and without mask, thermal scanning, and sanitization details. Here we can also view with the help of filters like 7 days, 30 days and 90 days. When we click on without mask, as you can see here, it gives details of the person who are in the premise without mask. It gives a complete trace details along with the photo. Coming to the next one, which is temperature dashboard. In this, we can have a view of total scans performed along with suspects, anonymous and known users. It gives the employee ID, name, time and temperature. Similarly, the count could also be viewed here in the form of graph. Next is the face mask dashboard. Face mask dashboard, which gives all the details of with mask details like total scans performed, without mask, anonymous and known users. Here we can see the list of persons without masks and with mask along with their ID, name, time and mask. We can also view the graphical representation of all the counts. Coming to the next one, which is physical distancing. Here we need to select the location hierarchy based on our building and level. As you can see here, we can view the heat map. If the people are so crowded, it gives a red color, or else it shows up with the green color. The same could be viewed in tabular format also. See, as you can see here, people within limit for this particular person is 1. Nearest person location would also be displayed. Coming to the next one, which is contact tracing. All we need to do is to select a person's ID from date and to date. As you can see here, the time would also be selected, and then click on submit. It gives a tabular view of all the people who came into contact along with the detailed trace of the map. From time, to time and location details also can be displayed. Now coming to the next one, which is PD complaints by zone. After clicking, we can see the tabular view along with the level, campus. This gives a RAG report. The zones which are violated will be shown in red color and which are fine will be shown in green color. Next, coming to PD complaints by people. Here all the employee names along with IDs would be displayed, and the people who have violated the physical distancing along with the violation period will be shown here. People who have violated will be shown in red, or else it will be shown in green color. Now coming to the next use case, which is body temperature. Here we can see a tabular view of all the people's temperature based on the temperature recorded by the camera. So here we can apply all our filters and try to get the temperature of any person based on the date.